Am I fork and knifing this, or am I just
No,
going to
I
pick this up?
think you should eat it.
Well, I'm the guy, so I'm going to pick this up.
You're the guy,
right? I'm the
so
guy.
you should eat it like a man.
I'm someone's idiot boyfriend, so here we go.
On this episode of The Veggie.
I'm on a never-ending quest to get my carnivore husband to enjoy his meatless meals. What do you make of vegetarian cooking?
Could care less about it.
Grow up. Hi, I'm Tanya. I'm an editor at New York Times Cooking, and I also write The Veggie, which is a vegetarian newsletter for vegetarians, vegans, people who want to eat less meat, people who want to eat more vegetables, and I offer guidance and recipes to help them do all that. One of the most frequent questions I get is about the meat and potatoes guy. I'm on a never-ending quest to get my carnivore husband to enjoy his meatless meals. Agreeing on what to cook is a daily hassle. I'm looking for a veg-forward recipe a meat eater can really enjoy. Okay, take a deep breath. Backspace the breakup text. You don't have to dump him. I don't want to oversell them too much, but I have a few recipes I think will save your relationship. Shall we? Okay. So I'm going to show you 3 recipes that I think would appeal to a meat and potatoes person. Stunning. So to prove me right or really, really, really wrong, I have asked a meat and potatoes guy to join us at the very end.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
And taste all 3 of these recipes, and we'll get a sense of if he'd make these again, if they are satisfying, and if he would complain. The first recipe is a mushroom au poivre that we adapted from Cafe Chelsea from Florence Fabricant. This is your classic steak au poivre swapped for a big, beautiful maitake mushroom. The au poivre sauce is not just your standard au poivre, it's also really fortified with mushrooms. So you have a mushroom soy sauce and a mushroom stock in that cream sauce. So the thinking here is really replicating kind of the classic steakhouse plate. You've got a baked potato, you've got your cream spinach or your sauteed spinach or your garlicky spinach. You might just convince yourself that you're eating a steak, maybe. Maybe. Big maybe. Let's talk tofu. This is the fried tofu sandwich from Superiority Burger here in New York. Lex Weibel adapted it for us. This is probably one of the more straightforward fried sandwiches I've made before. This is for all of the fried chicken sandwich lovers. If you love a Popeye's fried chicken sandwich, you will love this sandwich. If you're a little vegetable shy, but you're okay with a little bit of cabbage, a little bit of pickles, and you want the heft and body of a big fried chicken sandwich, this is the perfect swap. If you're a meat and potatoes guy, you probably love a fried chicken sandwich, and you might not really even notice that this is not a fried chicken sandwich. This is Lex Weibel's vegetarian mushroom shawarma pitas. It's a genius recipe. It does that kind of one-to-one swap of meat to mushrooms, but it eats like a meat dish. This is the most weeknight recipe of these 3 recipes. Really straightforward. You've got the big pita, you've got it stuffed to the brim with roasted, really heavily seasoned vegetables. Instead of the shredded shawarma meat, you get these meaty, chunky bits of portobello mushroom that are really highly seasoned, and you get the chew, you get that texture that you really like. But it's still light enough for the person who just wants a really nice vegetable meal, and you get that turmeric-y yogurt, you get herbs on top, you get a little bit of red cabbage, you got crunch, you got spice. What's not to love?
Coming up on The Veggie.
Give that a try.
It just tastes like a mushroom. You guys need to reevaluate what's going on.
So I have something to prove, and to figure out whether this would actually satisfy the meatiest eater, I have brought in somebody's boyfriend. Let's give it up for Will. Oh my God.
What's up?
What's up, man?
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
Can you tell me what you had for dinner last night?
I had literally potatoes and chicken.
No
and
veggies?
there was a salad on the side, but it's forced to be made.
Salad's not for you.
Well, it is for me to keep my fiance happy.
So can you walk me through your meal plan, how you guys cook, how you shop, what the strategy is?
She tells me what to cook and buy, and I buy and cook that. And I would say that there are some vegetables in there. Sometimes I will omit certain things that I think are superfluous.
Like?
Lemons, other vegetables. Well, a lemon's not a vegetable, but it kind of is to me. Just anything that I don't feel like is totally needed or is gonna be that yummy.
And when she's, say, on a business trip, what are you eating?
If there's 5 days in the week, I buy 5 packages of chicken thighs and 5 boxes of goodles. And then I will eat 5 boxes of goodles and a box of chicken thighs. And that's just about it.
I'm so excited for this. In order to try my best to appeal to fabulous fellas like you, I've made 3 recipes that try to do different things for meat and potatoes, guys.
Okay.
Okay, Will, I'm gonna ask you 3 questions as you eat these recipes. 1, would you be satisfied by this? Would you feel full? How likely are you to eat it again? Maybe even make it yourself? And how likely are you to complain about it? Cool?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
You probably recognize everything on this
This
plate.
is like objectively like faking potatoes.
Pretty much.
Cool.
We've got my taki au poivre. You have your meat
Allegedly.
and your potato.
I'm familiar with that.
How do you feel about the au poivrification of food lately?
It's just a sauce.
Yeah, but do you like it with steak?
Sure. It's delicious.
Would you like it on a mushroom?
Probably not, but we're here to find out.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, it just tastes like a mushroom with a sauce. The sauce is very good. It gives like no satisfaction that like steak would have. It's certainly a choice.
Oh, it's a choice.
Yeah.
If you were to have this and the potatoes and the spinach, satisfied?
Yeah, definitely satisfied.
Complaining?
I don't complain in my relationship, but it's definitely something where I would encourage it to probably not happen again in my household.
So the follow-up question being, would this happen again?
Probably not.
This is the Superiority Burger tofu sandwich.
Yes.
So here we're kind of mimicking both the heftiness and the form of a chicken sandwich,
Right.
both in flavor and in texture, and hopefully really satisfying the like, are you full component of this.
That is something that I would like be excited to eat because of the fact that it like has so many textures going on, and also like there is probably like more than one, so I could probably feasibly get myself full. I'm into this one. This one would make the rotation. I would recommend it.
So, satisfied?
Yes, very satisfied.
Likely to eat / maybe even make?
Yes.
Likely to complain?
No, because
Yeah.
that's objectively very delicious.
The last one we have here is a mushroom and onion shawarma. This is probably the most weeknight friendly version, kind of a sheet pan, mushroom onion situation.
Right.
Quick yogurt, pita,
Right.
that's it.
Am I fork and knifing this, or am I just
No,
gonna pick
I
this
think
up?
you should eat it.
Well, I'm the
how-
guy, so I'm gonna pick
You're
this
the
up,
guy,
right? I'm the
so you
guy.
should eat it like
I'm
a man.
someone's idiot boyfriend, so here we go.
What do we make of that?
I would probably make that, but it's just like, I'm gonna eat an entire sheet tray of mushrooms, chasing the fullness.
Would you eat, say, 2 of these?
I would eat 3. Like the YouTube comments will point out, I probably am eating too much, but I will eat 3 of those.
I would say no such thing.
Okay, well, I appreciate that.
Would this satisfy you?
I mean, in a large quantity, yes. Objectively, would I rather have a meat thing? 100%. But yes, this would satisfy me.
Would you complain about this? Because this feels like you're kind of in.
No, I'm down with it. Like, I'm into it.
And so would you eat it / make it again?
I would eat it. Would I make it again? I actually probably would, because you said it was easy. So I'm down.
Would you like to eat more?
I mean, of that, yeah.
Go.
Great.
Those got your
Thank
name on
you.
it.
Awesome. I really appreciate that.
Will, thank you for bringing your meat and potatoes perspective.
Anytime.
To the studio.
Thanks for the food. And, the chat was good.
This was wonderful. Thank you for proving my point.
On the shocking finale of The Veggie.
I was smacking the shit out of this. Give me my lorazepam. Oh. Do you know what it's like to feel right? I feel so right. There was a clear winner. Our dear friend Will ate both of these sandwiches. I'm feeling like I have a good handle on this type of guy. They want full, hearty dishes that are not necessarily one-to-one replicas of a meat and potatoes format.
Tastes like a mushroom.
But they want flavor, they want texture,
Very delicious.
they want something really delicious, and also, Will was somewhat of a fan here, so he wants something that's easy.
Would I make it again? I actually probably would.
Nothing surprised me, because I've dated a Will. We all have. It makes me want to call my ex, and I won't. Listen up, it's hard out there on the apps, so fix him if you can. The easy stuff, like this. This is a beige flag. No vegetables is a red flag. But if he's willing to try, you should too. So for more recipes that have the potential to save your relationship, you can get these and more in your inbox with the Veggie newsletter, and you can of course find all of them on New York Times Cooking. I don't know, I don't think there's anything, is there anything else fun to say? No? Bye.